Hello guys, today I want to show you how to factory reset to remove FRP on Neon phone, Safaricom Neon MTK, which is MTK 6572, and it's a Vodafone 100. This one was a success using module version 1.5 MTK by Infinity Box Dongle. After plugging the phone, my platform detected that the phone was an MTK, so I tried to use MTK module version 1.58 and identified the phone, and the phone was identified. As you can see, it was reading the phone. This means that the phone was identified. So because the phone had reset by hand using volume down button, the owner stuck on FRP protection, so he brought the phone for FRP removal, and it was a success. As you can see, there's no need to back up any data, just full factory reset, format reset, and clear FRP, okay, clear user data, okay, clear cache, clear, okay. As you can see, it was a success. Remember, when you get this phone, Safaricom Vodafone 100, it's an MTK phone, so use MTK and it will be a success.